Before we embark on an incredible journey through Manila, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Manila, the vibrant capital of the Philippines, is a city of contrasts, a place where rich history meets modern urban energy. Situated on the eastern shore of Manila Bay on the western edge of Luzon, it lies approximately 1,300 kilometers from mainland Asia. Manila is a melting pot of cultures, blending its colonial past with the fast-paced development of a thriving metropolis. One of Manila's greatest assets is its natural harbor, renowned as one of the finest in all of Asia. This protected harbor has been a critical trade route for centuries, making the city a key economic and cultural hub in Southeast Asia. The Pasig River flows through the heart of the city, dividing it into northern and southern districts, each offering its own unique charm and character. While Manila has gained a reputation for being a congested and bustling urban jungle, this characterization only tells part of its story. The city is rapidly developing, with modern skyscrapers rising alongside historical landmarks. Beyond the traffic and crowds, Manila has a rich cultural heritage, a lively nightlife, and a diverse culinary scene that makes it a must-visit destination for travelers. With a population of over 14 million people, Metro Manila is the most densely populated urban area in the world. The rapid urbanization of Manila has led to the rise of slum communities, where 35% of the population live in unstable, poorly built shelters. Despite these challenges, the people of Manila remain some of the most welcoming and resilient in the world. The Greater Metro Manila region consists of 16 cities and 1 municipality, spanning a vast 636 square kilometers. However, visitors can explore the city's key attractions in a few days, focusing on areas such as Intramuros, Manila Bay, and Makati. Whether you're drawn to historical sites, cultural experiences, or vibrant nightlife, there's something for everyone in this diverse metropolis. One of Manila's most famous historical areas is Intramuros, a walled city built during the Spanish colonial period. This area is home to iconic landmarks, such as Fort Santiago, where national hero Jose Rizal was imprisoned before his execution. Another must-see in Intramuros is Casa Manila, a beautifully reconstructed Spanish-era home that offers a glimpse into colonial life. The city's Spanish heritage is also evident in its grand churches. The San Agustin Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is the oldest stone church in the Philippines, dating back to 1607. Nearby, Manila Cathedral stands as a symbol of resilience, having been rebuilt multiple times due to natural disasters and wars. For those interested in museums and history, Manila offers a wealth of options. The National Museum Complex consists of several museums, including the National Museum of Fine Arts, the National Museum of Anthropology, and the National Museum of Natural History. These institutions house an impressive collection of artifacts, artworks, and historical exhibits showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage. Manila is also home to one of the world's largest Chinatowns, known as Binondo. Established in 1594, it is the oldest Chinatown in the world and a paradise for food lovers. Here you can indulge in authentic Chinese Filipino cuisine, from savory dumplings to mouth-watering roast duck. Another must-visit attraction is Rizal Park, a vast green space in the heart of the city, dedicated to Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. The park features monuments, gardens, and fountains, making it a great spot for relaxation and reflection. For a breathtaking sunset, head to Manila Bay Walk, a scenic promenade along Manila Bay. This area is famous for its stunning sunset views, lively atmosphere, and various entertainment options, including live music performances and street food stalls. Beyond Manila's historical sites, the city also boasts modern attractions. The Ayala Museum in Makati is a must-visit for history and art enthusiasts, featuring exhibits on Filipino culture and heritage. Makati is also known for its towering skyscrapers, luxury shopping malls, and vibrant nightlife. For family-friendly attractions, check out Manila Ocean Park, an interactive marine park featuring a walk-through tunnel aquarium, a penguin exhibit, and a jellyfish dance show. Meanwhile, Star City, one of the biggest amusement parks in the Philippines, offers thrilling rides and fun activities for all ages. If you're looking for an escape from the city, there are fantastic day trips from Manila worth exploring. A few hours away, Tagaytay offers a cooler climate and stunning views of Taal Volcano, a volcano within a lake. Visitors can take a boat ride to Taal Island and hike up to the crater for an unforgettable experience. For beach lovers, head to Batangas, where you'll find some of the country's most beautiful beaches. Calatagan and Nasugbu offer white sandy shores, crystal clear waters, and excellent spots for snorkeling and diving. Another great getaway is Pagsanjan Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls in the Philippines. Visitors can take a thrilling canoe ride through the river, navigating rapids and caves before reaching the majestic falls. For adventurous travelers, a trek up Mount Pinatubo is an unforgettable experience. This active volcano erupted in 1991, creating a stunning crater lake with turquoise waters. The hike is moderately challenging, but well worth the effort for the breathtaking views. For those interested in contemporary Manila, Bonifacio Global City, BGC, offers a dynamic urban experience with high-end shopping malls, modern skyscrapers, and art installations. It's home to attractions like the Mind Museum, an interactive science museum perfect for visitors of all ages. For shopping and entertainment, Mall of Asia, MOA, is a top destination, offering a massive selection of stores, restaurants, and attractions like an IMAX theater, skating rink, and a seaside promenade with breathtaking sunset views over Manila Bay. A hidden gem within the city is Paco Park, a former cemetery turned serene public park. It is a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle, featuring landscaped gardens and a circular chapel where cultural performances and intimate concerts are often held. Manila's cultural richness can also be experienced at the Cultural Center of the Philippines, CCP, which hosts performances in music, dance, and theater, promoting Filipino arts and talent. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the Museo Pambata, Children's Museum, can be a fun and educational experience, especially for those traveling with kids. The museum features interactive exhibits on Philippine history, culture, and environmental awareness. For a more laid-back experience, the La Mesa Eco Park provides a green escape just at the outskirts of Manila. It serves as the city's natural reservoir, offering outdoor enthusiasts a chance to bike, hike, and picnic within its lush forests and man-made lakes. The Eco Park is a crucial reminder of the importance of environmental conservation amid the rapid urbanization of Metro Manila. Another breathtaking destination is the Ayala Museum, which showcases dioramas depicting Philippine history, indigenous textiles, and stunning gold collections from pre-colonial times. Beyond museums, Manila is also home to a thriving independent music scene. Bars and small venues scattered around districts like Makati and Quezon City offer stages for up-and-coming Filipino musicians. Places such as Route 196 and Maus have cultivated a unique underground culture where indie rock, folk, and experimental sounds flourish. These spots provide a stark contrast to the city's mainstream entertainment and showcase Manila's raw and diverse musical talent. Another lesser-known attraction is the Bahay Nakpil Bautista, a heritage house in Quiapo that offers a glimpse into the lives of revolutionaries during the Philippine Revolution against Spanish rule. This historical home-turned museum preserves antique furniture, paintings, and memorabilia, allowing visitors to experience the atmosphere of an era that shaped the nation's history. With its blend of old-world charm and modern development, Manila is a city that continuously reinvents itself. From historical landmarks to contemporary cultural spaces, the city offers a never-ending discovery for those willing to explore beyond the usual tourist destinations. Lastly, no visit to Manila would be complete without a sunset cruise along Manila Bay. The bay's golden hour views are mesmerizing, providing the perfect end to a day of exploration in the capital city. Manila is more than just a city, it's an experience. Despite its fast-paced energy and chaotic streets, the warmth of its people and the richness of its culture make it one of the most exciting destinations in Asia. Whether you're exploring historical landmarks, indulging in delicious cuisine, or simply soaking in the local vibe, Manila welcomes you with open arms. As you navigate this vibrant metropolis, remember to take your time, embrace the adventure, and enjoy every moment. The Paris of Asia has so much to offer, and your journey here is sure to be unforgettable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Let us know in the comments which part of Manila you're most excited to visit. Until next time, happy travels.